Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm filming my best holiday beauty gift sets. This is one of my favorite videos of the year to film because I just love the little sets, whether they're a good value or they have minis. I don't know, they just get me in the holiday spirit. So as you can see, she's ready for Christmas. So I'm gonna be bringing you the best makeup, skincare, and home beauty gift sets. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I make new videos every week on all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you'd like to see my best beauty gift sets, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, for my first one, this is just a single item. It's not in a set, but you already know I have to show you my fragrance of the month. And if you're trying to buy beauty gifts, this is one of the best things you can buy. This is my Dossier fragrance. The one I picked out for this month for you guys. First of all, I have like over 20 of these perfumes and they just keep getting better and better each time because they always release new ones. So it comes with your little scent card to tell you what dupe it is, how it works, what notes are on it. So this is the YSL Black Opium dupe. Let me just tell you. This is the best. This is called Floriental Vanilla. Obviously, packaging is A1. I always have to show it to you. This is just the best gift. Dossier has the best fragrance dupes. They're only $29 versus paying like $100, $200, $300. They always have coupons. I'll leave my coupon code down below, but you can go to their website and actually get better coupons than the one I can provide you with. They're all clean, cruelty-free, made in France, and they're adding new scents all the time. Like they just added the dupe for my husband's Louis Vuitton cologne. We paid like almost $300 for that cologne. I think it was like $250, $265 plus tax. So this is like the best gift you could possibly give someone because you don't need to spend all this money on fragrances. On top of it, it's clean beauty, so you're not putting toxic chemicals on your body. They have free returns for life, so you can't go wrong. You can try it, and if something's wrong, they'll return it for you, no questions asked. To me, it smells exactly like the dupes, but better because the concentration level is so high. They actually stick on my skin because regular fragrances tend to not stick on my skin. I tell you guys all the time, you have to layer body lotions, body oils, and then fragrances, and then it kind of like sticks like you're doing a primer. But I just want to show you this because this is the best gift you can get somebody. Obviously, all these gift sets I'm showing you are just top-notch, amazing beauty gift sets, or just get them for yourself like me. I'm pretty sure all these are for me. But either way, get them for yourself, get them for somebody else. I'll leave this Dossier dupe down below for you. They always have deals where you can get like 3 for $75 or something like that. So you can get you one, get someone else one, get your friend one, a family member one. It's amazing. So thank you to Dossier for partnering with me on this month's fragrance of the month. I always love to bring you. And let's keep getting into these amazing beauty items. So you already know E.L.F is one of the best brands, the best makeup, best brushes, best primer on the market. They have holiday gift sets. The #1 primer, the Poreless Putty Primer, you guys already know this is a dupe for the Tatcha one. It works better and it's only $8. You can get the whole putty primer set. So I didn't know there was actually a brush to go with it because I was just using my fingers with this. This is called the Putty Brush. So it's synthetic and real hair blend. Obviously it's cruelty free. So you can use that with that. But did you know there was a putty bronzer and a putty blush? I'm so excited about this because I do have larger pores, especially around the cheek area. It's kind of like a primer with the cream blush, cream bronzer. So that means when you're putting this on, you're not gonna have your pores showing and it's gonna stay a lot longer because it's gonna blend into your skin instead of just sitting right on top. So these are gonna be all in one set for you. Of course, I'm gonna have everything linked for you down below, but that's the best set. Then I have more sets to show you from them. Can we just get into this? My sister already wants to steal this from me. Already wants to steal this. This is literally 10 liquid eyeshadows. Like, I can't believe it. There's literally a color for everyone. These are my tones. These are exactly what I would wear all the time. Any makeup look. It's all the browns, the mauves, the golds. This is going to be amazing for a holiday makeup look. Just like the look I did on my eyes today, you can use the bronze and the light colors to pop in the little inner corner. This look is going up after this video on my channel, so this is my holiday makeup look if you want to see. But this is just unreal. They're little like lip gloss wands, and you can just and tap it on your eyelids. To die for. Absolutely to die for. Then the last two are my favorite because they're brush sets. So this one has 2 sponges, which this sponge I have in the regular color. It's unreal. It becomes so big when you wet it and it's the best for under eyes or blending your contour. And then this one has a flat edge so you can clean up under the blush and the contour. Then it has a spoolie brush, an eyeshadow blending brush, a dual-sided face brush, and a flat brush for your eyes. Like, cannot get any better than this. This is $15. $15. Like, this would be amazing for a Secret Santa gift, for a stocking stuffer. Then for $20, this is a 9-piece brush set. These are all their black pro brushes, a kabuki, a face one, a cheek one, a contour one, a flat one for brows or eyeliner, flat for eyeshadow, a thick one for eyeshadow. This one for creams and liquids. Unreal. Unreal. I can't even believe they came out with these. I'm obsessed with all of these. And I'm gonna have to buy doubles of all of them because my sister wants them for Christmas. She's already trying to steal them from me when I show them to her. So thank you so much to E.L.F. for sending those to me in advance so I could show them to you guys. Again, they'll be linked down below for you. So I'm gonna do these by category. So while we're on makeup, first, this is by Rare Beauty. This is the Soft Pinch Blush Trio. So this has 3 blushes in them. They're kind of like a pink, a light pink, and a coral. I've tried the liquid blush in the shade Joy from Rare Beauty, and it's just incredible. It's the bright peach orange one, and if you blend that on your cheeks and across your nose before you do your powders, your blush is just gonna pop and shine through and last all day. I love how little this is. It's a cute little stocking stuffer, and you get to try 3 different colors, so I feel like you just can't beat this. I believe this was like $25, but I'm gonna have this link below for you. Rare Beauty is such a good brand, and I believe it's a clean brand as well. It should be clean and cruelty-free if I'm not mistaken. So this is amazing. Get your hands on this. I believe it was selling out during the Sephora sale, so see if it's available now. Next, we have the Benefit Brow Set. How cute is this for a Christmas gift? This is a little Christmas tin, and it's pink colors. It has your Precisely My Brow Pencil, the Highbrow Duo, which if you guys are sleeping on Highbrow, I used to work for Benefit back in the day, and Highbrow is one of their best products. So what you're gonna do with Highbrow is put it underneath your brow and just kind of outline it and then blend it. It gives you an instant brow lift. It looks like you have Botox. It makes your eyes look more open and lifted. It's so good. And then a little hack for you, you can actually put it in the waterline to make your eyes look bigger and more open, like the white eyeliner hack, but a little more natural. It's kind of like a pinky white. I believe I do have a matte and a shimmer, but this one is incredible. And then the Gimme Brow is a little brow gel with fibers and color. It's gonna make your brow hairs look thicker and stand up straight and keep them in place all day. I know my sister personally uses Gimme Brow by itself. She doesn't fill in her brows with a pencil or anything. So this is only $35 and it comes in a tin. So like this is for me, but get it as a gift too because it's really amazing. Next, you already know my girl, Fenty Beauty. Best glosses, best lip products, just an amazing makeup brand. This has the full-size cream lip. This is the pink one called Candy Milk. So it's gonna be a gloss, but it's gonna be a full coverage gloss that has a ton of color to it. And then 3 minis that are shimmery for the holidays of her gloss bomb. So this is like an orange one, a brown one, and a kind of like a champagne one. You can pop this over anything. I just absolutely love Fenty's glosses and all their lip products. It's actually what I'm wearing now. I have on the liquid lips, 2 colors, and then I put some gloss on top of it. So this is absolutely incredible. Again, for yourself, for stocking stuffers, for gifts, for Secret Santa, anything you want. These are incredible. Now this one, guys, I was shocked. This is Sephora Favorites Beauty Must-Haves Everyday Bestsellers. So this has all the best-selling products in it. So you're gonna get a little slew of things. So let me tell you. The Grande Lash, I have a little sample of it. It's actually incredible. I have lash extensions so you can't tell, but I'll use it just to keep my lashes healthy and from snapping off. It's so good, like Latisse, but it's more natural and it's also affordable. The Milk Hydro Grip, it's a small size. That primer is amazing. The setting spray is amazing. Then you get a little Natasha Denona palette. I love that it's like a champagne shimmer. You get a small size of the NARS bronzer. You get the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, which is a travel size. A full-size Fenty mascara, which everyone raves about as their favorite. I personally only wear bottom mascara since I have lash extensions, but I heard it's amazing. Full-size beauty blender, travel-size Way Leave-In Conditioner. You already know that's my favorite because it's a lotion texture rather than being a liquid texture. Then you have the Kosas Wet Gloss. That's also a full size. That's a clean brand at Sephora. I love it. And then everyone goes crazy for this Dr. Jart, I think it's called Cisapear Tiger Grass Color Correcting. I believe it's like a green color correcting moisturizer. But I'm like, what a great gift this is, and just a really good set together. You get a little of everything. I would love to just have that all in a little pouch to travel with and not worry about packing a ton. Or if you forget to pack certain things, it would be in there. So next, let's talk skincare. I showed these in my Sephora videos, but I have to show them again because they're so good. So first, this is the Peter Thomas Roth Eye Patch Kit. This comes with the Hydro Water ones, the Cucumber ones, and the 24 karat gold ones for $75. I think like one is $75 if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember, but the 24 karat gold ones I always use. They're so amazing. They're hydrating. They help with crow's feet. The bottom cloud one, it's amazing just for straight hydration if you're dry. And then the cucumber one, it's actually depuffing and you can use like a little roller over it. But I'm pretty sure one is 75. So to get all three full size, like, bye. This is just the best. Like, I'm so happy I have this. Then, my favorite eye cream. One of my favorite eye creams, but definitely top 1 or 2. This is the Shiseido Benefiance eye cream. So this is $94. I believe one is about $65. And they're full size, and they're just the best for hydration, for fine lines and wrinkles, to prevent, definitely anti-aging. It has the best texture, so you can use this day and night. It definitely wears well under concealer. And this is just one of my favorite eye creams. I've been using this off and on for years. And honestly, I keep going back to it every single time because it's just a really good bang for your buck. Like, I sometimes buy the La Mer one, which is like literally probably almost $200, and I feel like this is just as good. So if you need a great eye cream, if you're dry or if you're worried about lines or anti-aging, this is just the best eye cream, and this is such a good deal. Next from Shiseido, another cute little box. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. This is an oil-free, water-resistant SPF 42. Then it comes with the travel size of the eye cream I just talked about. And then also a concentrate, and it's $48, which is the same price as the sunscreen. So if you're looking for a new sunscreen, get this little kit, and then you can also have your little travel sizes. So last for the fun part, I have like home and fragrance. So this is by Bulgari. I'm obsessed. This is 3 different perfumes from them, and it's just little mini ones. This white one is one of my all-time favorite perfumes. And I just thought you could like separate this into stocking stuffers if you have girls in your family or for travel. This is amazing. So one of them is the Omnia Crystalline, I believe it's called. The other one's just the regular Omnia, and then Omnia Amethyst. I feel like I'm like stuttering when I'm saying these, but I thought this was the cutest little gift set. I love little small fragrance bottles because you already know fragrances are very expensive, like I mentioned in the beginning of my video. And I love smaller ones because I own so many, I could never go through one fragrance. Then, if you're into candles and sprucing up your home, this is the Jo Malone candle set. Look how cute this is. They're all minis. I believe this was like 90, but look at, oh, they smell so good, and they're just like so cute. Like, you can put these around your house, put them in someone's stocking. This one is Peony Blush and Suede. I love this one. I actually wore this scent for my wedding. I mixed that one in another one my sister picked out. They have Nectarine, Blossom, and Honey, which I love. They're just so cute. English Pear and Freesia. Wow. And then Grapefruit. Oh, that one does not smell good. All the rest smell great. I have a weird sense of smell. Thank you, COVID. But this is so cute. This is just a great gift. I'm just gonna put them around my house, like pop a little small one in each corner. And then lastly, this was in my gift guide last year, actually, I believe. This is the Nest Pura for home, but these are the holiday scents. So it's kind of like your Bath & Body wall fragrance, but it's a circle, and you plug in the Christmas fragrances. You actually use it with an app. Let me show it to you. I bought an extra one so I could just gift it this year since I already had one. But it looks like this, and you can buy refills of the fragrances. They have normal, like, you know, year-round scents, but these are the 2 holiday ones. So you can have like a Christmas tree smell if you have a fake tree like me, or you could do the holiday, which is amazing. I actually first learned about this from Emily Gemma, my favorite blogger. I always see her using this around her house year-round. So this is a perfect gift for someone who you want something like a little nicer for. Maybe they're really into fragrances and candles. It's the perfect gift. So that is all for my best beauty holiday gift sets. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I know I did. I love, well, obviously I get to buy all of this for you, but I really love all these gift sets. I'm gonna definitely give a lot of them away for Christmas gifts and then keep a lot of them for myself. Let me know your thoughts down below if you guys own any of these or if you're planning on purchasing any of them. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.